What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Monji TV. Today we're in the M2 race car driving to Buttonwillow. In the last video you just saw us install all these M2 CSR front bumper bit and brake duct cooling bits. It's not done yet, but we got as far as we could before we had to go to Buttonwillow. Nonetheless, the car is running flawlessly after all the prep. We're just passing through Orange County, doing about 80 miles an hour. There's some rain going on. It's supposed to be dry in Buttonwillow where we're going, but right now we're passing through some rain. We've been in the car for about an hour. We left about 4:30 in the morning, 5:20 right now. So far so good. Car's driving perfectly straight. Really happy with that. Just taking it easy with the water on the roads, but we'll see you guys when we get there. All right, guys, just gassed up the race car. Everything's holding up strong. All the vents and everything are looking beautiful. Homie's got a 5-gallon stuff between his legs, ready to go. Car is feeling great. Our little covers for the headlights are still holding up even through the rain. Gucci, let's go. All right, guys, we're just pulling into Buttonwillow here. You'll see the sign on the left. Buttonwillow Raceway. Yay, we're a little late. It's all right. Speed limit 39 because why not? You got the Tesla Super Track. You got the Track 2 being built. Let's get checked in and get some driving done. Evo's sick. Getting slicky. Getting slick. Yeah, I know. You got a lot of track out there you need to get out to.
Yep.
Stay left, brakes, hard. Now turn in. Stay tight, aim for that cone, and then shoot across the track. All the way for that cone. Brakes hard. Straight, straight, straight. Turn in too early. You want to turn it a little later. Okay. Same with this one. It seems weird, but you want to get more to the outside of the turn. You want to stay out here. Turn in. Aim for the outside of the track. Stay on the outside. Now aim for the curb. Stay over here. Curb again. Outside curb. Brakes hard. Inside curb. Outside of the... Alright guys, so fortunately I didn't get as much footage on the GoPro as I wanted to. We got a lot of POV footage from our Ray-Ban glasses, so you'll be seeing that footage upcoming next. But the car is dirty, still in one piece, looking beautiful. Super excited to get this thing home, torn apart, and finish up the last bit of mods. Really strip some weight out of her and take it to this next level. Everything looking good. Tires are super smoked. The right one's pretty bad. The driver's side rear is super bad. We're literally like, oh, let's see if you guys can see. We're super close to showing cords, so we got rain the whole way home. It's gonna be super sketchy. We figured before we burn them up anymore, we're gonna get out of here. There is a tire shop, but the guy, for whatever reason, doesn't want to swap the tires. He's like closing in 15 minutes. It is what it is. We're just gonna drive home super safe. Car looks freaking blasted in mud. Didn't really go off track. We skipped one wheel off the dirt for just like a split second. Happens, but everything else so good. So far so good. Really need to get a stickier tire on the car. Once we get some weight out of her, we'll see if these springs still do the job, but we're probably gonna have to bump up the spring rate just a little bit potentially, because I would like to get a little bit more ground clearance, and the car is feeling a little bit soft, and we got the clickers all the way up. So definitely not trying to run the coilovers full stiff on the clicker settings, and get it somewhere more in the medium, in the middle of the range where it should be. So yeah, nonetheless, great day at Buttonwillow. We are gonna head out for the day. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe down below. We'll be sure to keep you updated as the build progresses, and hit that notification so you guys stay tapped in with us when we post things. Anyways, quick little shot, leaving here. See you guys in the next one. All right guys, had to get the iconic shot here with the sign. It's been a wonderful day out here at Buttonwillow Raceway Park. The last time we brought the car here, we were on stock suspension, so it's some massive upgrades. We're full monoball, full coilover, and just overall a better setup, brakes and everything. Last time we were here, I really kind of didn't have the best time, and today's really just been a really fun day. It was good, but for whatever reason, I just felt like I wasn't in the zone. Today, I much more felt like I was in the zone. Man, do those brake ducts look freaking cool on the front of the car. It's so goofy with the one having the red toe strap, because it just really throws your eye off. It makes you think they're like lopsided or something, but they're not. Anyways, let's get home. Can we put a little air in the front? Put them to like 35? If you like this video, be sure to check out the next one. And if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to subscribe and like the video. It helps a lot. Thanks, and see you in the next one.